Hello guys, it's your boy Daniel, and in today's video we're going to be talking about Delta mining app, right? I'm going to be showing you how to farm or mine this very airdrop. I'm going to show you how to register for those of us who are having registration issue, for those of us who have given up on the registration process. Okay, you're going to learn exactly how to do this, a simplified method on how to do this. All right, so the first thing you're meant to do right now is to use the link in the description of this video, or you could just simply check the pinned comment and you see a link, okay, Delta invitation link. Just copy that link and paste it in your browser, right, the search bar of your browser, and you would appear at this very page, okay, a page that looks exactly like this. So you can see this says Delta opening a new era of digital money without private key for all mankind. Now if you don't know, this app is exactly like Pi Network. When Pi Network started, they started with the APK before they moved to Play Store, right? This very app has the same vision with Pi Network. Okay, everything just follows suit, right? So the first thing you have to do right now is to click on download Delta app right now. So I'm going to try my possible best to be as fast as I can, because I know data is now expensive, especially in Nigeria, and to also conserve time, right? So download Delta app and start mining and managing assets. So join now. What we're going to do right now is to click on download APK right here if you're using an Android device, but if you are using an Apple device, of course this is what you're meant to use. Click on right here. So I'm going to click on download APK right now, and this should begin downloading. Okay, so you can see this is the APK version. So I'm going to click on download, and the download has begun. Right, you can do this with your Chrome browser, but I'm just using my Opera Mini. Okay, you can use any browser of your choice though. So I'm going to click on open right now, and you can see it says, do you want to install this app? I'm going to click on install, right? And if you're doing this for the first time, if you have never downloaded an APK app on your phone, you would have to go to your settings and enable that. All right, and it might show that it's harmful, but it's usually not. As long as you know you're downloading from the real source, then you have nothing to be afraid of. So I'm going to go ahead and click on open right now, and this is the app right here. So the app just opened up right now, and it says build a decentralized economic zone in Delta. So what are you going to do right now? The first thing you're meant to do is to select your country. Of course, you can just scroll down. I'm going to select letter N right here, and this is going to lead us to N. I'm going to click on Nigeria, and this MSISDN is actually your number. Now this is where a lot of people make mistake. All right, pay attention to what I'm about to say. What you're meant to fix in right here is your WhatsApp number, not any other number. If you know the number is not registered on WhatsApp, please make sure you register it on WhatsApp. This would ease your registration process, because if you decide to go with the SMS, it's going to really cost you a lot, and it's going to cost you a lot of troubles. So I'm going to fix in my WhatsApp number right here. Okay, so once that's done, you click on next step. Now before I proceed, I want you to know that Delta mining is powered by internet computer, which is a crypto already trading in the crypto market. Okay, so this is a solid project. Just like I said before, they have the same vision with Pi Network, and they're working hard towards it. Okay, there's a lot to know about this, but for the sake of time, we're just going to be talking about how to actually start farming this immediately. So I'm going to click on next step right now. And yes, it says referral DID. So I'm going to copy the referral DID, or the referral ID of the person that invited me. I'm going to leave mine in the pinned comment and in the description of this very video. Okay, so you can just go there and grab it and fix it in right here, right? So the moment you paste it, okay, this is actually how it's going to look like, right? This is how the DID is going to look like. Now mine doesn't look like this. Of course it's going to be different. So you're meant to enter a nickname right now. I'm just going to enter Dan Pat, okay, a simple name, and we go to the next step right here. So this is querying right now. Now it says confirm information, right? And we're going to say yes, this information is confirmed, is correct, so there's nothing to change. And we're going to go ahead and click on DSMS, and once this takes us here, we're going to say okay, we're going to say get, and right here you can see a bunch of numbers right here. Now what you're meant to do is not to select these numbers that has MTN if your number is an MTN number, or if your number is Airtel or Glo. No, what you're meant to do is to come over to this very place that says Global Universal, right? Click on Global Universal, and you can just go ahead and select any of these numbers right here. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and select Britain right now, and tick this and click on next step right here. Okay, so this just gives us a verification string right now, which we are meant to copy. This is the verification string right here. So we're going to copy this right now, and we're meant to send this verification string to this WhatsApp number, okay, to the WhatsApp number we just selected. So we're going to select WhatsApp right here, okay, switch this to WhatsApp, and you can see this is the WhatsApp number right here, okay. So what we're meant to do right now is to click on send right here. Just click on the send button, and this is going to lead us to WhatsApp. So we're going to say confirm, and we're going to be redirected to WhatsApp. Now remember, you copied this code. Of course, they just fixed in the code for us right here. We don't even need to paste it, but it's good we copied it though. So we're going to go ahead and click on send right now, and this code is going to be sent to this very number, and then we'll come back to Delta Mining app. And of course, we're going to click on this very button right here that says I have sent the verification string, next step. So we're going to click on it right now and click on confirm, and let's see what this gives us, because this is actually the easiest and fastest way to get this done. You can see verification successful. Okay, you don't have to stress yourself sending SMS because it will cost you a lot. You can see we are in right now, and it says tap to mine Delta coin. Okay, mining has stopped. Every 24 hours is a mining cycle. Click the lightning icon to start a new round of mining. Delta mining is a distribution mechanism that does not consume extra computing power and network traffic of your device. Okay, if you're so worried about data, it doesn't consume data. Okay, so this is basically how it works. I'm just going to click on this middle miner button right here, and go ahead and click on this very mine you see right here. Okay, this is what we're meant to do. You mine every 24 hours just like Pi Network, and this is it. Our mining has begun. Now if you use an invitation code, of course you would get 1 Delta coin, which you can see at the top right there. Okay, I use an invitation code just like Pi Network, right? So to get your invitation code is really simple. You just have to come over to the menu section right here, and this is where you get to see your DID. Okay, so this is your DID at the top right here. You can just simply click this right now, and this is automatically copied, right? This is automatically copied. Really simple, right? You can also come to the DApp section and you see what they're building. You come to the home. Everything is just cool. Okay, everything about this very app is cool. Okay, now you can see the security cycle right here, the number of miners you're invited, the wallet and all that, which is still in the beta phase. Okay, right now they had 319 people mining this very airdrop, so you are still early. Okay, hop into this before it gets to 1 million and even 10 million. Okay, hop into this while you still have the chance. Another way you can invite people again is to come over to this invite section right here, this very arrow. Just click on it and you will be shown this little text that accompanies your referral code, okay, or your invite ID. So this is basically how the Delta mining works. This is how to join and mine this very airdrop. You can see it's really easy, so get in right now while it's still early. If you're one of those people that missed out on Pi, this is something you should look into. This is something you should join, because their narrative aligns with that of Pi. Their works also aligns with that of Pi. So I'll say this is still early, right? Hop into this right now while it's still early. So with this, we have come to the end of this very video. To stay updated about Delta mining app, simply join our social media handle, which you'll find in the description of this very video. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, like always, leave a like and share to create greater exposure. But while you're sharing, make sure you're giving them your invite code. And if this is your first time, subscribe and turn the notification bell on to all, so that you don't miss out whenever I drop any new video or new updates about Delta mining app. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Stay safe.